opani kufo enti se wo fa asinti ene na pese mra na empanifo ahye okuruma no yesesa no yesesa emra no wankasa kire obi a wuti kuruma no ma wodi wa hoɔden ede brade hye emfa so obi eni so no wankasa kire asotwe ko efata no ne efema no
sebe so wasemi di tuga fatuga ni nya kwanso ye nya daji okufo ne wo fa ase no asem no asem bi a wo no ka kira bofra
mahu obaifo kwa yi a okokoso baifo na noma o muntakra pa no ene tubo na opani obetrafie member frawe nanka no yedu ananka wefo a na oka hu bi eye kufo na no fa ase no na no fa ase akwa ka ba wani ebusa no
me no nya adwin sebe me no nya adwin dua bododo dua bo me no nya adwin
na wadaroma dua to ano anam mu wadaroma fo ni tume se ka se di abofra e kira ye be siensi akode waye ne ho abusuafo ene wabetu emu da se bre fo ni tume ni wadaroma pejoti mu
Kufo, I have heard your plea, but punishment has to be applied.
One we are say we go ofa. One ka say me what the cry how.
Kwasampani ofia kwasampafo busuam. Sarfia kwa.
Yeah. Sebe ka say yo. Wo kasa say pa.
Sarfia kwa. Eche ni sampani fo hia. Onu abusuafo beti ho asem.
Wasre chini abwa Obrumakwe wasre chini abwa Wasre chini abwa Wasre chini abwa
Yada mwase somebody nyameche emu naba nana mpani mfo seza asamne yende nyameche emu na yende
obi do ba nyameche yakunu kwa emfa so biara ni so nana yen saman Sarpong
Obrafo, bring us Sarpong.
Mon fan to sona dia when mo wado and no crab dead yo yan me obusia dio ko wa mama nyamba wa una mane bongo fan to sona dia when mo wado and no crab dead obusia dio ko wa mama nyamba wa una mane bongo fan to sona dia when mo wado and no crab dead di ka wa fo wa te sa bo a chere ben fan to sona dia when mo wado and no crab dead wa da fa wo mama wo di pa wo fan to sona dia when mo wado What
Fanto suna de woni wado anu kura bedadio.
Fanto suna de woni wado anu kura bedadio yanme. Obusia de ko wa mama nyamba wa una mane bongo.
Fanto suna de woni wado anu kura bedadio.
Obusia de ko wa mama nyamba wa una mane bongo.
Fanto suna de woni wado anu kura bedadio.
Ka wa fo wa te sa bo a chere ben.
Fanto suna de woni wado anu kura bedadio.
Oda pa wo mama wo de pa wo.
Fanto suna de woni wado anu kura bedadio.
Ase bi ane fa mo so ya ja to no so.
Fanto suna de woni wado anu kura bedadio.
Ka meri de wo ya de aya mo mo yo.
Fanto suna de woni wado anu kura bedadio.
O kan tam kura me.
Sarpong. Ayese ubekum nipa e wasase ho. Abra wo ba wan fa hwiama. E fata se wo hwie mojagu.
Na nyam na mkum nyame che.
Sarpong mentwetwa nkontompo bia wa ha. Yeni o na obi anim se woni nyame che etwe manso wo asase bi edansuo no nche wo no. Hwe so obeka no kra ka no kre me na hu mmobo.
Meka bibia nyam na mkum nyame che.
Hey. Enyo han na okunu nyame che. Etu betia kana na magrada abosom. Se ne wo kase nkontompo a agrada mpenso papam newu.
Take him to the cage. Ochame, bring me the comfort.
Comfort saying, Tete, then to therefore say, once more, near Kufasa from now, see. Boko, therefore, bro, Nana. Boko, Maka, Nana, Milami Kumina Meche, and I didn't send him to call for him, and I'm Kokuno. Milami Kuno. Nana say, Abuja for Asan Mubia Hossein. Nana sorry, or therefore sorry.
The court has spoken, and my final judgment is that Sarpong shall be put to death at the going down of the sun today. To shed innocent blood is a taboo, and the punishment is death.
I'm only in one question. You say, Madame, my Nintifie. Simba ba uno mami nkwefu.
Have mercy, please. Please. Kwamusu, spying at young girls, taking a bath is wrong. You must be taken to the court. Let's go. Ejadu, the left hand washes the right. Take me to the court and I'll be fine. But if you fall in my trap, I'll also not spare you. I know you have also been spying at the young girls taking their bath. I saw you 2 days ago hiding in the bushes, licking your lips. So you see, we are all the same. Let's be friends. Once you don't report me, I'll also keep our secret. Let's go for one last look.
Nana. Mommy and me home prenu and Sani Abuyaten. Mamma yan Shishan se muye and Sani Abuya.
Menu and Yaya Nana. Oh, as I said, if you can name me Muyansa, near Buate, ya hear that could be. You be Buatenia, I see someone any year crowd. Oh, Kakrabian ye tranquil yesu, Kakrabian ye tranquil yesu. Ye just your coro, na papa woman, ye to monsieur. So we go for we will more.
No crepa.
Na ya sema who are din say you go and kun for.
No crepa.
Na na wadaroma me de kunku ni pa e bone ndi. Mani nye ho.
Therefore, Mr. Emeka say nyado. Mini ko nyina ene kofo nyadwen. Ko bie no ma enyembra ene de ye chiri kru no. Ena bosom so ene de chiri kru no. Na nanam abosoma hyemra to no ma ye ne be sa no. Ne so bi konguram no kofa nipa ho no ma na so kofa oba ho a. Therefore na nyamusuo. Na nyamu na to. Therefore mrano shemudi memunye tawe.
Meji sani awoka no. Ye na nanom tete fo na mre so. Ana mo hihye sa mra yi. Won ni ho biew. Sisi a ye na ye wo so. Nti ye mra so yi, ese enso hihye mra.
Ko nyina. Emra be na nye ayeye afim. Na pa chese ye nananom no no munum nyansa.
Oh.
Omunum nyansa nsa na mo hihye sa mra no. Mibisa. Therefore misel emra de hye ne din.
Nana wadaroma di onyina kira ne se. Ese se bibia ahwehwem yiye pa ansana ya pe be diplomasi.
Kufuo o kasa tugu wiem keke. O kasa tugu wiem. Aso ka nyansa be ne wom. Wa nwene ho.
Sebe. Unim se ha no ehia ne ehia se nuanom. Ena ya dwendwene ho. Eni se bibia o ma obufu na kasa sa. Wati yenya ya nuanom o.
Ye ne ehia wo nuane hwan. Hwan ne ye onua?
Me nuane obia.
Wo nuane hwan. Wo nua yida ko hwe no.
My elders, I don't see any part of the law that needs to be changed. I believe we rather need to make stiffer punishment for those who break the law.
Therefore, Emrandie, Shenedin, Inti Obiasem, Shenedin.
Elders, we are the custodians of the law. We should be circumspect in whatever decision we take today. Let's listen to Nana's final decision.
For our laws will remain the same. Nana Hima is here, and she will tell us all about the initiation ceremony for next week. Openyinkufor, you are a very proud father, and Poma, your daughter, has not put you to shame. Afrakuma, laws are made to keep people in check.
Papa, why do you still insist that one has to go through puberty initiation before she's allowed to marry?
Afrakuma, it's not me. Our ancestors in their wisdom give it to us so that the young ones will not go astray.
Papa, I know the laws were made to protect us, but I believe some of them are now of no use.
Be careful, Afrakuma. The law does not respect anybody.
Papa, if I take a man before I'm initiated, what will happen?
If the fly refuses to leave the corpse, it is buried with it. Look, I don't want you to be a victim of the law. You must be law-abiding. My sword is double-edged.
I'm going to be chief one day. You. My uncle has made me the next of kin to his throne. I have to put up a very good behavior. No. I do. Then you can't be my friend. Why? As for me, I can't be friend with somebody who is controlled. Oh, come on, Cole. Don't say that. After all, I did not ask him to choose me. He did. And you know what? I have learned from my mother that once I become Kontiki, I can easily marry Afrakuma. You at all? Are you correct? I thought you would say something better. Listen, Ko. I will get Afrakuma first. Then any other girl I want. And if I remain your friend, will I get some of the girls? Let me think about that. Afrakuma is coming. This is my last chance. You coward, what can you do? If you don't tell her your peace of mind today, never discuss the issue with me again. Afrakuma, didn't you notice us?
I noticed you, so what?
At least you should have greeted us.
Why should I greet you? I don't greet good for nothing people.
Whom are you referring to as good for nothing?
You, of course. Whom do you think I was referring to?
Afrakuma, I think you've gone to a stream. You know I love you and I want... Useless man. This girl slaps you when it takes you to the ground. Afrakuma.
Hey! Are you going to touch the princess of Sechokrom? Are you not afraid of Rana Bonsu?
Sit down. Ejadu, I want you to hear me well. If what I'm hearing in the village is true, know that I will change my mind about you.
Edu. Edu.
Is it true? Is it true that you attacked the princess?
Openi kufo. It is a war for Sinti, and now Pesem Rana and Penfo Ashe Okuman. Yes, a son. Yes, a son and Marano. Wanka Sachre. Wanka Sachre. Obia Witty Kuman, would do a more day at their bradish. ɛmfa so bi ni so no wankasa kyerɛ asotwe kɔ ɛfata no ne ɛfɛ ma no
sɛbɛ so wasɛm mi de to dwa fa to dwa ne nya kwan so ye nya daagi okufoɔ ne wo fa ase no asɛm no asɛm bi a wɔ no ka kyerɛ abofra
no mahu ɔbaifo kwa yi a ɔkɔkɔsoɛ baifo na noma wɔ muntakra pɛ no ɛna tubo na ɔpani ɔbɛtra fie mɛmmɔfra we nanka no yɛdu ananka wefo a na ɔka ho bi ɛyɛ kufoɔ na wɔfa ase no no na wɔfa ase akwakwa ka ba hwane ebusa no
me no nya adwene sɛbɛ me no nya adwene dua bododo dua bo me no nya adwene
na wadaroma dua to no anam wɔ mu wadaroma fo ni tume se ka se di abofra e kira ye be siensi akɔde wayɛ ne ho abusuafoɔ ɛna wabetu emu da se bre fo ni tume ni wadaroma pejoti mu
Kufo, I have heard your plea, but punishment has to be applied.
Wan we ase awde agu wofa wan kasa mi hu ade kura hawo
kwasampa ni ofia kwasampa fo busuam sarfia kɔ
yeah sebe kasa yi o wo kasa yi pa
sarfia kɔ ɛkyɛ ni sɛmpani fo hia onu abusuafo bɛte ho asɛm
Odane tiasia nana moda beba medabeni odebro tiasia rechenwo Odane tiasia nana moda beba medabeni odebro tiasia rechenwo Odane tiasia nana moda beba medabeni odebro tiasia rechenwo Odane tiasia nana moda beba medabeni odebro tiasia rechenwo odebro tiasia rechenwo Odane tiasia nana moda beba medabeni odebro tiasia rechenwo Odane tiasia nana moda beba medabeni odebro tiasia rechenwo
Offer, since he started moving with Komusio, Ajadu has changed. I hear he is now smoking.
Hey, Yesiama, where did you hear that from?
Afrakuma told me she met them smoking.
Then that must be the reason why they attacked her. Oh, Ajadu. Aduma, your son has disgraced me. He gives the bad opportunity to humiliate me.
Offer, don't plead for him. If you plead for him, he will never learn.
This time, he will face the law. And I hope he learns a lesson.
Hey, Bubu. Bubu, won't you offer me a seat?
Can't you see I'm busy?
Can I help you?
No, thank you. I don't need your help.
Puku, don't treat me this way. You know I love you.
You what?
I love you, Puku.
I don't love you. And get away before my mother comes to meet you.
I want her to come and meet me here.
Huh. You are mad.
Puku, I'm mad for you. Can't you see?
Get lost.
Puku, I swear, you pay for this. My father is asking for the grass cutter you promised.
Your father. He likes me too. Tell him I'll bring it to him tomorrow.
That's the reason why he doesn't drive you away when you come to our house. My father gives nothing free.
What was he looking for?
This man. He has to look into everyone's business.
Don't mind him. But if if he does again, I'll slap him.
Let's continue our discussion. What did you say you give it to my father?
Nana. Sisi asema ha me pa ne se. Se de bia kwakwasa fudwuma no a. Enipa no mo ma. Wo mo makura kakra bia ba na de bia wo mo ba. Eti amadwuma no enkoso. Amadwuma no enkoso kura Nana.
Yes, Nana. The youth have refused to honor the call of duty. Womu bomonya gusto. Afi de womu muakura.
Ne mo kan me gitum. Ne bia na nam bibi nti. Na momo binim.
Nana minim. Ma ye hwehwemu ahunu se. Ko musuo. Opanyin se beba no. Wono na wo tu amanfo fo bone. Wo bo manson se me emadwuma. Ndi se wo bibi kapa na wada roma. Ye ne eja se benka ne yie papa.
Kufo. Wo pani. Na okasa ya fa dwene to ho. Ya adwen kakra. Ye hia semputu dwuma ene ye ka ho asem. Ene de ama adwuma ho asem enso aba. Na da na me kwa me ba ko musuo din ena wo bo. E wasem emu. Wo pani, wo didi aya anom kwan. Why?
Wo sebe na oba no odwen so ye hwan. Oba ko musuo no oye hwan. Da sebre. Ni ekufo ka no aye no kure. Me gitum papa because abofra no on so da ye kura sa ma adwuma beba bida no ma bi nso da
ko nyina me bisa kufu otu we enyo no ye chairman no no resa adwuma we nyina so na da ben eno afre me ba no abɔ no kwadu e wɔ mpanifo anim da na obi aye bɔne ne so mfrɛ no emmɔ no kwadu a why da no agine fun so atum therefore me sem bisa osi dan
Free so sebe, free so. Unim pefe se oba no kwasafudwuma. Onko obi da. Enso so abesia na wo ye to be. Na okura ye nya odan.
Sebe utie.
Nana metie.
Your son needs to change his ways. There are too many complaints about him. It's all no for pa.
Nana.
Sort ya say.
Martinana. Wadarum.
Madame Tiasiana, Madame Banga Baby, whatever, Tiasiana Chewo. Madame Tiasiana, Madame Banga Baby, whatever, Tiasiana Chewo. Madame Tiasiana, Madame Banga Baby, whatever, Tiasiana Chewo. Eh, whatever, Tiasiana Chewo. Madame Tiasiana, Madame Banga Baby, whatever, Tiasiana Chewo. Madame Tiasiana, Madame Banga Baby, whatever, Tiasiana Chewo. Madame Tiasiana, Madame Banga Baby, whatever.
Open your home.
Oh, good day, my daughter. What can I do for you?
Open, I'm looking for Mommy Adoma.
Adoma. Adoma. Yeah, Adoma. She was here a few moments ago. Can I take any message for her?
No, I'll come back when the sun goes down.
All right. When do you come back? Now, what were you doing at that time of the night yesterday? Was the part the man with you?
I was alone.
Don't lie. I saw you and a man, and it was the part.
If you saw him, why do you ask me? In any case, who made you watchman over us?
Oh, Kwandu, I thought I could advise you as my own daughter.
Advice? If you have any advice, give it to your nephew, Jedu. I don't need your advice.
What
mo yande asam kasiaba e monkaye asemba vivemu yo vivemu no akasamba vivemu yo vivemu no akao vivemu asam kasiaba e monkaye asemba vivemu yo vivemu no akasamba vivemu yo vivemu no akao vivemu o ma hine pene wutrim ensem nyina firi nyame so o ma hine pene wutrim o nane awo mewo ya na enso nya hweye ura pene wutrim o pene wutrim o ma hine pene wutrim ensem nyina firi nyame so o ma hine pene wutrim o awo mewo ya na enso nya hweye ura pene wutrim o Pewutim, Omayene Pewutim, Insem Nyina Finya Meso, Omayene Pewutim.